these days it's hard to turn on the television and not see a political ad. March brought Super Tuesday to the Republican primary voters, and a topic often covered in the debates, health care. As part of their ongoing commitment to educating legislative leaders, Advanced Nursing Concepts, along with other Florida-based home health care companies, headed to Tallahassee to meet with state representatives about pending legislation and its effect on the patients they care for. Among the most critical of issues is the pending rate adjustments that would adversely affect the growing number of Medicare and Medicaid patients who receive home health care.
We're in a trying time right now where we have all the baby boomers, we have shortages of doctors, nurses, and now the government is looking at reimbursement cuts, severe reimbursement cuts for home health. It puts everybody in a weird predicament that they don't know what they're looking at. As a patient, they need to be looking at who's going to be there for the long haul. We are definitely in it for the long haul. We always look ahead. We've been preparing for these cuts. We are not afraid of these cuts because we put everything into place to not sacrifice patient care.
We started out doing home health because it's what we knew. We had watched changes in Medicare. We had watched the bigger companies, the more national companies make decisions that were more financially based and not really patient-based. We knew that as two nurses who didn't have the overhead and the expenses that the larger companies had, we knew that we could provide value and do it at a lower cost. So we knew that we could bring value to the area with what we were doing. The baby boomers are hitting, reimbursements are going down. We're asked every year to do more with less. The biggest thing that the patient needs to understand is being knowledgeable. Being knowledgeable of what's coming, being knowledgeable of what Medicare is reimbursing for versus the plans that are available. Just because there's a new plan out on the market that's great doesn't mean that it's going to give you that best access to care. So we try to make sure that as we go in and see our patients that we also educate them, not just on their medical needs, but on the political aspect and the medical aspect of what's happening in the arena.
How important is this issue? In 2009, more than 317,000 Florida seniors received Medicare-funded home health care services. Advanced Nursing Concepts told Hometown Health that they'll continue to keep an eye on health care and Medicare reform and continue to advocate on behalf of the patients that they care for. You'll learn more about Advanced Nursing Concepts and find contact information when you visit the Capital Care Story link at yourhometownhealth.com.